guys, let's take a look at Immutable X today. It's not a big mover, but I haven't covered Immutable X in a while, I think. It's up about 3.5%, 4%, something like this right now. Nothing huge, but as you can see, this is the 4-hour chart. Now, we got rejected basically 3 times here through the span of about 5 days, and you can see this was quite a rejection. However, if we draw a trend line, and let's put this trend line like this. Even if we put it like this, touching this one right here, but I'm going to put it like this, really. We are breaking out. It doesn't matter where I put it. If I put it, right here, we're breaking out. Looks like we broke out on this 4-hour candle, which actually closes in a minute. And basically, it looks like it retested it, and it's going to hold it. Doesn't look like it's going to fall under this line, this trend line. I don't believe this trend line could get any better, really. So that's a good thing. Now, what are the targets? Basically, we need to move back up to $2.57. We got to break this resistance, guys. And, it's rejected us. Oh, I said 3 times. I didn't see this time, which it's very close. It didn't touch it, but it's close enough, really. So that's basically 4 times in the last couple of weeks. And before that, yeah, you can see where we're significantly below it. But yeah, guys, looks like we're going to close this candle. We need to get up 256. After that, looks like the next will be about $3.07 on that Fibonacci. Now, I don't think Immutable X has been up here for a while. Yeah. So I will draw the resistance lines once we get to that point. It has gone to almost $3.80. But, it stayed a little bit in this range, but there's probably not going to be a lot of volume there, I believe. Anyways, let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Now, Bitcoin crashed down yesterday. I'm not sure why. We actually had pretty good numbers economically, but then we got the Chicago PMI, and we saw kind of a dump. But I don't think, it's going to be anything major. I do believe we're going to trend up. We're going to break this trend line again eventually, and, we are going to go to 71.4. And then we're going to go to basically the all-time highs up here at about 73.2, which I think 73.7 was all-time high. But this is probably where you're going to see a little bit of resistance. But I think these lines up here are, they're not going to hold down very long because there's not a lot of volume. So that's a good thing. Now, yesterday we did find support basically here on this 67.1. We did go through it, but we managed to pull ourselves back up. And so far, we are trending up at the moment. But we'll see what this 4-hourly candle does, which just started. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you on Immutable X. Looks like we are breaking out now. And let me zoom back in real quick just so you can see it. And guys, yeah, you can see it retested. And let's see if we can make a move to the upside now. And by the way, local resistance, if we're looking, may come, I would say, around this point at $2.30. You can see there's a lot of resistance. Here was support, resistance. So yeah, we may trend up to about $2.30. After that, maybe some small resistance around $2.44 again. This is all local resistance. So anyone who bought up here in these areas recently, may start to sell or get out of positions. But I just think that's a small resistance, really. Bigger resistances basically are these Fibonacci lines, I would say. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you. Thanks a lot. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.